A letter went to over 1 million car owners. It said, "Do not park inside." Your car could be on that list. And if it is, parking in your garage tonight puts your home at risk. No warning. Engine off. It can start a fire. 12 models are under active federal do not park inside orders right now. One of them carries 2 completely separate fire risks in the same vehicle: battery fire and engine fire. At the same time, we saved that one for last. 36 confirmed engine fires, 12 battery explosions, 7 people hospitalized, $1.8 billion in recall costs, and some caught fire after the fix was already done. These aren't old or worn-out vehicles. We're talking $40,000 to $80,000 cars, some brand new, sitting in parking lots, because the government said they're too dangerous to park under a roof. Before we get to number 1, and you need to hear number 1, understand this. Some of these vehicles were recalled, repaired, and then caught fire again. The fix didn't work. Some are on their 3rd recall, some their 4th. That is the pattern that matters most, especially for number 1. Number 12. Hyundai Kona Electric 13 battery fires. Globally, all in parked vehicles, all turned off. 3 caught fire in South Korea with a full charge. LG Energy Solutions built batteries with folded anode tabs, internal short circuits waiting to happen. $900 million recall. 82,000 vehicles worldwide. NHTSA order, park outdoors away from structures. Used car buyer, demand battery replacement documentation. Without that paperwork, you are buying a car the government flagged as unsafe to park inside. And number 11 will change your assumption about this list because it has nothing to do with electric. Number 11. KIA Seltos and Sportage. Not an EV problem. These are gas vehicles. The idle stop-and-go capacitor overheats, short circuits, and ignites. 6 incidents of melting components already reported. 39,000 vehicles recalled. The defect ran undetected for 8 months of production. 8 months of cars rolling off the line with a fire risk already built in. NHTSA order. Park outside until dealers replace the oil pump assembly. Number 10. Ram 2,500 and 3,500 heavy duty. 30,665 Cummins diesel trucks recalled. 6 confirmed fires. 5 happened while the engine was running. 1 happened after the ignition was turned off. An electrical short can ignite a $70,000 truck in a dark parking lot with 0 warning. Contractors, farmers, business owners. Parking outside for months isn't just inconvenient. It's a real disruption to how people run their lives. NHTSA order. Park away from buildings and other vehicles. Number 9 is where the same defective part shows up across 3 different vehicles at once. Number 9. Hyundai Tucson, Palisade, and Sonata. 3 different vehicles. Same defective oil pump. 52,000 vehicles affected. The oil pump controller overheats even when the car is completely off. The official recall notice states it plainly. Fires can occur without warning. Families bought $35,000 to $50,000 SUVs brand new. Some hadn't made their first year payments before receiving the park outside letter. 3 model lines, 1 defect. Still no simple explanation for why it took this long. Number 8. BMW 3 Series, X3, X4, Z4, and 5 Series. 196,355 vehicles. NHTSA recall 25V636. A Denso starter motor relay corrodes when exposed to water during normal operation. Corrosion, short circuit, fire while parked, ignition off. BMW couldn't pinpoint which specific vehicles were affected, so they recalled all 196,355, including 1,469 Toyota Supras sharing the exact same component. You paid $65,000 for German engineering. NHTSA issued an urgent park outside advisory. And number 7 has a twist. It's the same car as one we've already covered. Completely different recall. Number 7. Hyundai Tucson. Different recall. Different fire risk. 51,587 Tucsons recalled for dealer-installed tow hitch wiring, allowing water into the trailer control module. 3 confirmed fires, all in 2025. Critical detail: a trailer doesn't have to be attached. The wiring stays active, moisture builds, fire starts. And as a side note, it also disables your trailer brake lights. The car behind you can't see you stopping. 2 issues. 1 installation. NHTSA order: park outside until the harness is replaced. Here's something practical you can do right now. Go to nhtsa.gov/recalls. Type in your VIN. 30 seconds. You will know immediately if your vehicle is under an active fire warning. Free, instant, worth knowing. If this has been useful, the like button helps other owners find this too. Now, back to the list. And it only gets more serious from here. Number 6. Chevrolet Bolt EV and UV. $1.8 billion. The most expensive EV recall in history. 142,000 vehicles recalled, all of them. 12 confirmed battery fires, some ignited days after the car was last driven. And 2 fires happened after the recall repair was completed. GM's orders: park outside, no overnight charging, limit charge to 90%. Stay 50 feet from other vehicles. Nashville, San Francisco, Seattle. Parking garages posted signs, no bolts allowed. Number 5 has a story attached to it, and that story changes how this whole list feels. Number 5. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. 3 recalls. 2020, 2022, 2024. The 2022 fix failed. 7 more fires in already repaired vehicles. 4 people hospitalized. 19,516 vehicles affected. The root cause is still not fully understood. One Pacifica owner in Tennessee documented his experience online. His van had been through the 2022 repair. He woke up at 3 a.m. to a smoke alarm going off inside the house. The fire was in the garage. The van was gone. The fix had not worked. $45,000 family vehicle. 3 government recalls, still not resolved. Number 4. Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. 91,844 vehicles. Same Samsung battery defect as the Wrangler. 19 total fires across the Jeep 4xe lineup. Previous software fixes in 2023 and 2024 did not hold. 9 fires erupted in vehicles that had already been repaired. 1 person injured. Permanent fix still under development. Owners paid $65,000 to $75,000. They cannot charge, they cannot park inside. Class action lawsuits filed, no repair timeline announced. Number 3 is where the repair cycle starts to tell its own story. Number 3. Jeep Wrangler 4Z. 228,221 vehicles. Samsung battery separator damage. This is the 3rd recall for the same defect. 3rd. Fixes in 2023 and 2024 both failed. NHTSA found 9 fires in vehicles already repaired under the 2024 recall. 1 injury reported. Stellantis told owners, do not charge, park away from structures. Battery risk reduces when depleted. The entire purpose of the 4xe is to run on electric power. You can't. Number 2. Volvo X30. This is a brand new car. The 12th of January 2026, Volvo recalled 40 model year 2025 EX30s in the United States. Microscopic lithium plating growth inside certain battery cells. Internal short circuits. Fire risk. Batteries made by Sunvoda Power Battery Company in China. Volvo admitted no permanent fix has been developed yet. Owners who took delivery in late 2025 were parking outside within weeks of purchase. Volvo built its reputation on safety. Their newest model, their safest promise. Now, under a federal fire warning, number 1 is in a different category from everything you have just heard. 1 vehicle, 2 completely separate fire recalls. Battery fire, engine fire. At the same time, this is what that looks like. Number 1, Jeep Wrangler 4xe. But this time, it's not the battery. The engines themselves are catching fire. Recall 25V766. Engine blocks not properly cleaned after casting. Sand and debris left inside during manufacturing. Restricts oil flow, causes internal damage. starts a fire. One Wrangler owner in Colorado posted his dashcam footage and it spread across the automotive forums. Normal Tuesday morning, he started the truck. 6 minutes in smoke from behind the dashboard. No warning light, no knock beforehand. Engine seized, total loss. His 4th year of payments. For some of these vehicles, this is the 4th recall. 4th, and separately, these same Wranglers are also under an active battery fire recall. 2 independent park outside warnings. 1 vehicle, you paid over $60,000. You were told it was fixed. Then told again it was fixed. It was not fixed. A permanent remedy is still under development. No timeline. Check your VIN right now at nhtsa.gov/recalls. If your vehicle is on this list, do not park inside tonight. But here's what no one is talking about yet. The next recall category isn't about fire at all. It's about something that happens while you're driving, at highway speed. With no warning, that list drops next.